Number 1. A punchy sense of character defines this 1984 Cadillac. Listed for $8,500 in Phelps, Kentucky, presenting a burgundy exterior with a red interior and an automatic transmission. The seller notes it runs and drives well, supported by a recent repaint that gives the body a renewed presence without masking its age. Inside, the cabin appears tidy, maintaining the period look expected from a mid-80s luxury sedan. Mechanical specifics are limited, but the car's basic roadworthiness and straightforward configuration make it appealing for enthusiasts seeking a usable classic with room for personal refinement, while remaining honest to its origins. Number 2. Presence carries weight with this 1983 Chevrolet Impala sedan, priced at $7,000 in West Monroe, Louisiana. Finished in blue inside and out, it delivers classic full-size comfort paired with a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The engine runs strong. The car drives well and is ready for the road, offering a smooth, relaxed cruising feel. The sound system complements the experience, adding personality to every drive. This era of Impala represents the final chapter of Chevrolet's traditional rear-wheel drive, full-size sedan legacy. Number 3. Power and presence define this 1970 Chevrolet Impala sedan four-door priced at $4,000 or more, Oklahoma. Its stock 400 cubic inch small block V8 and automatic transmission fire up cleanly, backed by a sturdy 12-bolt rear end that reflects straightforward mechanical health. The gold exterior pairs with a white interior, showing expected age, yet remains serviceable for casual use. Two-owner history adds clarity, and it runs without hesitation according to the seller. Offered with a bill of sale and no trades considered, it stands as a simple, functional classic. Number 4. Utility meets muscle in this 1977 Ford Ranchero GT. Offered at $3,000 in Marysville, Washington. Finished in brown with a matching interior, it carries a 351 Windsor V8 paired with an automatic transmission and a clean title. The body presents solid overall, with underside rust typical of the era, but retaining strong structure. A new battery is included, and the vehicle is best transported for its next chapter. The Ranchero GT blended car-like comfort with pickup practicality, capturing a distinctive moment when personal performance and utility shared the same bold platform. Number 5. Built with a confident stride, this 1963 Buick Special Deluxe, listed at $7,000 in Norman, Oklahoma, delivers an appealing blend of originality and preserved charm, showing 51,800 M with its 215 cubic inch V8 and 3-speed automatic, still moving the sedan comfortably at highway pace. Minor paint where reflects age without undermining its solid presentation, while the green exterior and tan interior maintain a cohesive period look. Stock mechanical components emphasize authenticity, creating a straightforward, usable classic for enthusiasts who value honest condition and steady drivability on warm days and relaxed weekend outings alike. Number 6. Bold lines meet quiet confidence as this 1982 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, priced at $5,500, brings its burgundy finish and matching cabin to Donaldsonville, Louisiana, with an all-original presence that still runs smoothly. Its automatic transmission, clean interior condition, and consistent operation give it everyday usability, while included extras such as fresh rubber components, emblems, locks, and multicolor lighting add value for the next owner. The sedan's straightforward character suits relaxed cruising, offering a dependable foundation for someone wanting a preserved early 80s full-size car that remains both functional and ready for subtle personalization. Number 7. Stance defines this 1981 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, offered at $5,000 in Fayetteville, Tennessee. Finished in black, it features a 5.3 V8 swap paired with a Granny Low 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs strong and drives exactly like a tall, old-school lifted rig, riding on aggressive 37-inch military tires. With a clean title in hand, it presents as a solid foundation for off-road use, utility builds, or hobby upgrades. Early 1980s Chevrolet heavy-duty pickups marked the transition into tougher drivetrains, while retaining the raw mechanical character enthusiasts still seek. Number 8. Rear-engine character defines this 1967 Chevrolet Corvair sedan, priced at $4,000 in Gulfport, Mississippi. Finished in red with a black interior, it shows 112,000 miles and runs with an automatic transmission and a flat-six layout unique to the model. The car remains complete, cleanly titled, and presents as a solid driver, suitable for seasonal cruising or gradual improvement. Its compact proportions and distinctive engineering set it apart from typical sedans of the era. The 1967 Corvair represents the refined final years of Chevrolet's air-cooled experiment, blending unconventional design with everyday usability. Number 9. Compact muscle roots shape this 1977 Pontiac Phoenix, offered at $3,500 in Scroggins, Texas. Sharing its platform with the Nova, this example carries a Pontiac 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic that runs, drives, and shifts through all gears. The body is straight with only light surface rust and small trunk spots, while the floors and trunk remain solid. Interior pieces need attention, including the rear seats, dash, and door panels. The Phoenix marked Pontiac's entry into lighter, efficient late 70s compacts with genuine V8 attitude. Number 10. Commanding presence defines this 1964 Cadillac Fleetwood Series 75, offered at $6,500 in Harrison, Arkansas. Powered by a large displacement V8 with an automatic transmission, it runs, drives, and stops as expected for a full-size luxury cruiser. Finished in black over a gray interior, this long-wheelbase sedan was built for smooth family cruising and steady road manners. Ongoing small fixes have kept it enjoyable and usable. The Series 75 represented Cadillac's top-tier formal sedan, favored for its space, comfort, and unmistakable early 60s prestige. Number 11. Heritage shines through this 1970 Ford Ranger regular cab, priced at $6,800 in Willow Springs, Missouri. Powered by a 302 V8 with an automatic transmission, it runs and shifts smoothly while retaining its original truck character. Finished in white, the body is straight and presents well, offering a solid foundation that cleans up nicely. Factory air conditioning adds comfort, a rare feature in pickups of this era. The Ranger XLT trim reflected Ford's move toward blending work capability with added refinement during the early 1970s pickup evolution. Number 12. Bold utility defines this 1983 Ford Bronco package, priced at $6,000 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The title Bronco is powered by a 460 big block V8 with a new intake and carburetor, HEI ignition, and a C6 automatic paired with a transfer case that appears intact. Included are extensive parts, a second Bronco, spare engines, transmissions, glass, driven shafts, and tires. Offered as a complete lot, it reflects the early 1980s Bronco era, when full-size sport utilities blended rugged hardware with serious off-road ambition. Number 13. Patina forward presence defines this 1975 Ford F-150 Ranger, offered at $6,500 in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. This two-wheel drive long bed shows 68,516 miles and carries a 390 cubic inch V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Brown exterior and interior present honest wear, complemented by straight body panels and period paint character. The engine turns freely after time and storage, and documentation includes the owner's manual, title, and repair receipts supporting mileage. A bent tailgate with original latches is included. This generation marked Ford's move toward durability-focused full-size pickups. Number 14. Work-ready character anchors this 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab, priced at $1,500 in Oxford, North Carolina. This long bed pickup features an 8-foot box, 4-wheel drive, and a 350 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing around 100,000 miles, it presents in solid overall condition with a brown exterior and a straightforward, honest stance. The LS trim keeps things simple and functional. True to its era, mid-1980s Silverado models are remembered for blending square body toughness with everyday usability. Number 15. Purpose-built strength defines this 1978 Chevrolet K10 Custom Deluxe, offered at $6,000 in Monticello, Arkansas. Powered by a recently rebuilt 350 V8, it pairs with a 4-speed manual featuring a granny low and a fully rebuilt MP205 transfer case. The 4-wheel drive system operates smoothly, supported by refreshed front and rear ends and a new clutch kit. Finished in blue inside and out, it shows light rust but remains solid. Late 70s K10 trucks earned a reputation for durability, making this a classic rooted in hard-working heritage. Number 16. Solid lines and square body attitude define this 1980 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab, priced at $6,500 in Porter, Oklahoma. Powered by a 350 V8, it runs and drives well. Paired with a standard manual transmission, recent maintenance includes new tie rods, pitman and idler arms, intake and valve cover gaskets, rebuilt carburetor, fresh exhaust, and new plug wires. Finished in gray with a blue interior, the truck presents well overall, with tires needing future attention. Early 1980s Chevrolet pickups marked the final evolution of classic square body toughness and everyday usability. Number 17. Stately proportions give this 1980 Jeep Wagoneer Series 1 a classic presence. Priced at $1,000 and located in Marcellus, Michigan, showing 150,000 miles, it carries a 360 V8 with automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, reflecting the era's focus on comfort paired with capability. Finished in brown with a tan interior, it remains complete with a clean title and paid-off status. Long-term ownership since 1997 and prior drivetrain rebuilding highlight its solid foundation, offering a traditional Wagoneer platform ready for revival or careful preservation.